Hey YouTube! Today we're going to learn how to export listings as a CSV file from TurboLister. Being able to export your items as a CSV is good for a lot of different reasons, one of which is if you wanted to create a secondary backup. The TurboLister's main backup is a TLB file, but sometimes that information can get corrupt. CSV files are a little less prone to data corruption. Now there are a couple places within TurboLister that you can export this information. The main area is here in Inventory. The only other place within TurboLister that you can export is in your Ended Listings area of Listing Activity. Now this covers both sold and unsold items. You can highlight these items and export them, but your active listings are not able to be exported from TurboLister. So you don't want to get into the mistake and think that you can export active items to a CSV, edit a little bit of data here and there, and then import the file back to TurboLister. That's not going to change your active listings. That kind of thing is better done with the file exchange program. The main point of CSVs with TurboLister is either to store the information as a backup or to use it on a different user file without editing the information in between. So does it matter if you're exporting from Inventory or the Ended section of Listing Activity? What you're going to do is highlight the items that you want to export. You're going to go up to your File menu, select Export Selected Items. It's going to give you three options. TurboLister format CSV file is always the middle option. You'll go ahead and click there, select Export. Now mostly it's going to want to go to the default of eBay, TurboLister 2, and Update. I don't care to keep my information in those files. I like to save them elsewhere when it's CSVs. Generally, I recommend saving to the desktop just so that it's easier to find later. And then you're going to give it a file name. We'll just call it test. You can see that the type is going to be saved as a CSV. Click Save. And then it'll show you when your items are successfully exported. You can click Close. And then you'll see that I now have a file here that we just created. And that is how you export items from TurboLister in the CSV format. Keep watching for more videos on how to build your eBay arsenal.